Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to make lacto-fermented turmeric onions. This recipe couldn't be easier. All you need are onions, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. The finished onions are tangy and this amazing golden yellow that we love adding to grain bowls and chili. It adds a great pop of acidity and flavor to anything. And because onions are pretty water dense, we ferment them a little bit differently than we would, say, carrots or our hot sauce that we use brines for. For onions, we're going to massage it like a kraut and then wait a day to see how much liquid it expels before topping it off the rest of the way. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Definitely tell your friends to check out these videos and check out FarmSteady.com for all our recipes. Now let's get started making these lacto-fermented turmeric onions. For this recipe, you'll need 3 pounds of yellow onions, First, we're going to remove the ends. Repeat for all onions. Now halve, peel, and then we'll get slicing. And slice. The key with any ferment is that you want to keep the pieces roughly the same size. That way they all ferment at the same time. And done. Add 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then massage. Turmeric dyes these onions a gorgeous yellow, but if you don't want your hands that color, we recommend wearing gloves. Get everything real well mixed in, and then transfer to your half-gallon glass fermenter. Just fill this up. Get them all in there. While you're filling your jar, a quick note on liquid in this recipe. Because onions have such a high water content, we only add a cup of water and then check on it the next day and top it off if the level's low. You want them completely covered during fermentation. Add your glass fermentation weight, and then just a cup of water. Add your lid, and airlock, and it's ready to ferment. After 5 days, you'll want to start tasting your onions. When they're the right amount of tang and sweetness, that's when it's ready to move to the fridge. We really treat fermented onions like a condiment, and we always have a jar in the fridge to add a burst of flavor to any meal. Again, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Thanks so much for watching, and please check out FarmSteady.com for more recipes for fermented hot sauce, sauerkraut, kimchi, and more.